In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your Infiniti 3 or 4 button key fob. Let's get started. First, slide the spring tab over to release the hidden key. Once the physical key is removed, you'll see two small notches on the ends. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the key fob. The two sides snap together with plastic tabs, so be gentle when prying. Once the ends are loosened, the pieces lift apart easily. Now use your screwdriver to lift the battery out. These Infiniti key fobs use one CR2032 button battery. You can find a link to the battery in the description below. Now replace the battery and simply push the new one in place. Then fit the two pieces together and push to snap the tabs back in place. Replace the physical key and you're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.